So today I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram working on an iPhone 5. So as you can see here, this is my Instagram here. I'm currently logged in. Yep, it all works fine. And just to show you that I'm not running some older iOS version, like iOS 12 maybe. Right there, 8.4.1, as you can see. So, real quick here, I'm going to do something and then we're going to continue on with the tutorial. Alright, so I am now going to delete Instagram here. Okay, now let's start with the tutorial. So, firstly, you need to have already been signed in. So, there's some requirements with this. First, you need to be jailbroken. Secondly, you have to make sure you are logged into an Apple account, like I have mine right here. So, what you're going to want to do, and thirdly, obviously, you're going to have to already downloaded Instagram on another device. Like, you don't need to be signed into that device, but you just have to, already have downloaded so it appears in your purchases. Now, as you can see right there, it shows version 422.1.0. Now, remember that, and we're going to install Instagram here. Let's begin. Alright, guys. So, now Instagram is installed. First thing you're going to notice, you're going to have to, log in here with your account. So, I'm going to quickly log in here. Okay. If you tap login here, first thing you're going to notice, you're going to load into Instagram, or it's just going to say, checkpoint required. Yeah, see, checkpoint required here. You're going to want to leave this, and make sure you've installed Filza through Cydia. Click on Filza. I'm going to go, and then click this back button here on the top. Just click it all the way until you reach /. Now, scroll down to var. Scroll down, click mobile, tap mobile. Containers, bundle, application, Instagram, Instagram.app, and then scroll down. Scroll down until you see the icons, and then info.plist. You're going to tap info.plist. Now it's going to open up here. You're going to tap this little arrow on root right here. You tap it. Now scroll down to until you see on this here. You're going to see CF bundle short version string, right? So that's you're going to tap the I next to the CF bundle short version string. Tap that I. Now here it's going to say 10.29.0 or whatever old version. You're going to just erase that and type, and as you can see, I bet you guys remember the number here. Right now it's 422.1.0, right? So that's what we are going to type into Instagram. Now make sure to close Instagram before editing the plist. 422.1.0. Now don't push return. That just adds an enter or whatever that is, a white space or whatever it is. Now you're gonna, once you typed in 422.1.0, it should look like this. Click info.plist. Save. Now click done and close out of Filza in the App Store. Now just open Instagram, and there you go. It's all fixed. And yeah, it all works. So this is yeah. And it also loads these. DMs, I'm not sure, but saved also works. So as you can see, I can load up my saves here, and I'll just keep going. As you can see, all my posts load. Like, I can do this one, or I could do this one. Yeah, this one I uploaded. Yeah. But posting doesn't work as you can see here. I'm gonna take a photo, click next. I'm gonna type testing on iOS 8. If I tap share here, it's gonna say sending and then failed. Yep, see, it may load for a little bit, but it's just gonna say failed. Yeah. Stories, I don't know if stories work. Yeah, stories work. Stories work just fine. It works perfectly fine. Yep, so that's about it. Your notifications won't show any names. and the search, this feed here, doesn't work. Alright, I'm just gonna type like Bruno Mars or whatever. Bruno, or Bring Us Studios, why not? See, as you can see, it searches, it works just fine. You can load profiles. And I have followed. Messages do work, so, like, I think DMs don't, they only work like a few times, but I'm not DMing Bring Us Studios. But DMs do work most of the time. Although your current DMs won't appear here, you have to tap the plus button and then type here the name of the person that you want to, DM, like Bring Us Studios. Then you tap next, and yeah, then from there you can, like add messages. But even they don't appear here like in the DM menu, but you can, like, if you open a new chat with them, it will show all your old messages. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.